Okay, let's watch this old house put on a copper roof.
All right,
Okay.
Sammy.
Decent
This
setup.
is a nice splurge.
Okay, you see, dude, those outriggers on that ladder. This is an old house. No. See these outriggers on this ladder? Oh man, that's the way to do it. That is the way to frickin' do it. So let's keep watching.
All right,
Let's do
Sammy.
it.
Copper.
Okay.
This is a nice splurge.
I used to watch
here,
this
huh?
old house
Copper's
all
really
the
gonna
frickin'
look
time with my
nice.
dad when I
This
was
roof
younger.
is low enough that you can really appreciate
So
it
what do we
when you're
got?
looking out at the garden.
Right.
And Angela,
Yeah,
when
you
she's
can-
out there, she
no
thought it
gloves.
would really be nice, set a
Okay.
statement when you're looking
Fingerprints
back at the house.
all
Okay.
over it.
And so, in terms of prepping a roof for copper,
What are those? Oh my god.
anything
These
different that you had to do
rivets,
than if you were using, say, asphalt?
Not really. We sheathed it as if we were putting any kind of roof material down.
No tie off. Like these guys are on frickin' national television. They're like, dude.
Self-sealing membrane.
Yeah.
This is where it changes. Instead of the drip edge being aluminum or galvanized, we want to use a copper.
Those nails way too far back from the edge. I'm sorry. I like to have my nails a little closer to
drip edge
the edge
all the way
so that
around,
wind
'cause we
uplift
wanna make
doesn't.
sure that
Those. That nail. Am I seeing not a copper nail?
we want to use a copper drip edge all the way around because we want to make sure the materials match.
Oh my
That's
God,
already
bro.
in. A couple panels are already in. And
Yep.
Did you fabricate the panels themselves?
Did
Is
you
this custom?
fabricate those
No, I
panels?
actually have a shop that fabricates my panels for me. They oversize them, and then I customize them or fit them on site.
Perfect.
Yeah, you
All right.
do.
So how are we gonna get this guy in?
Yeah, you do. Okay.
Because we have
Ah,
a building that's brick and old, it's a little.
Jesus, fuck. What even is this? What even is that? Like, what the? Okay. If you're looking at doing your own metal roof, please, for the love of God, do not follow this old house.
Irregular, so I'm laying it into position. I'm going to take a measurement right here. Now I just want to
Those panels are, I oversized them. Dude, you should be ordering them like 8 inches longer.
check it to see how it is on each side.
Jesus Christ, man.
And it's not too bad. It's about 1/8 of an inch difference.
Okay.
That's not
The
too
panel on the
bad.
table, I'll mark the
Yellows! Ugh, I have a video on this. Check it out. If you see someone with yellows, man, fired.
length. I'll use some snips and a hand.
Okay, no, I get it though. I get it. So if you're doing your own thing, I mean, yeah, I get it. Like they wanna relate to the people who actually watch these videos, and the people who actually watch these videos are not professionals. The people watching these videos are trying to do DIY on their house. Okay, I get it. I understand. But oh my Lord. Oh my Lord.
Brake to bend the panel to match the pitch of the roof.
Pretty ingenious.
Yeah.
This is genius. Yeah, we do some.
Hold the panel to the roof. We're going to run a
bro.
bead of sealant.
No.
Push the panel in place, crimp the joint.
Love of God.
We'll hold the other side
How
down
is that
with
joint
some
gonna
copper
stay-
clips
so-
and aluminum nails. All right, to hold the
Aluminum
side of
nails.
the panel down, I use those clips, but on this side, we can't nail into the panel. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to dimple the two seams
do?
together with this little tool right here.
Oh,
That'll
they
keep
work-
that from sliding up.
So there's just a dimpler.
That's all.
That's all. Just a dimpler. That'll pop
Along the
off.
leading edge, we will crimp it to keep it
Okay.
weathertight.
Why is okay?
So Tommy, we got ourselves a nice connection here at the drip
Jesus,
edge, nice connection
Jesus,
here at the
Jesus.
standing
What-
seam.
Okay. Are these aluminum clips? Like, I gotta do some research on that. I'm pretty sure you still can't. You still can't do aluminum. I'm pretty sure. I mean, you should be using stainless. If you want to use clips, you should be using the copper You should be using copper because you can get copper nails. You can use the scrap to make your clips. Oh, God.
What are you thinking about here where the flashing meets the brick?
What are we
All right,
gonna?
we
What are we
actually have
thinking
two
about
pieces
here?
of
How are we
flashing.
gonna do this
One
flashing?
is bent really tight
Oh,
over on the
okay,
right
so
here
it's
to
a
keep it from
closed
rippling.
hem.
And that will lay in place right there.
Nice.
Now what we've
And
done
then
is
what?
we've cut a notch in the grout line right here.
Yeah.
First we'll
Is
put a
that what
bead of
you're gonna
sealant
do?
in there. Then we have this piece of flashing.
Okay, you got a
that's
counter
bent.
flashing with the
As you
raglet.
see, it's opened up on this end.
Yeah.
What we'll do is we'll bang it into the wet sealant, and the tension of it will hold it into that joint.
So just tension, no
Just tension.
Wow,
Just
that's terrific.
tension.
Okay. All right, well, definitely
See
a good
those?
call with
See those sweaty forearms that were just leaning on that copper? Here, let me show you again. That sweat from, I don't know if you've ever, I don't think he's sweating that much, but like if you're sweating, I've done it. You put that freaking forearm down, there's a big ass brown mark right across the panel.
It's terrific. Okay. All right. Well, definitely a good call with the copper roof. This is going to look terrific, and it's going to match the gutters, which I saw were going in earlier, and we've actually used this before.
Yeah, these are half-round gutters. They come with beautiful cast iron brackets.
Right.
You know, Augustine Crookston last year came on our Cambridge project with a truck and a trailer, and he made a 30-footer right out of
This
the
guy
front,
knows
one
what
piece.
the hell
Drove
he's
all the way
doing.
from
Are those
Kalamazoo to
gal-
Massachusetts.
Are those
Terrific.
This
Why
time
are
he
we
didn't have to
using-
drive out. I called him up, gave him the lengths that I needed. In 3 days, I had him
Okay.
on site, and we installed them.
Way to go, Augustine. All right, so that's going to look
That's
terrific.
cool.
Copper gutters, copper roof.
Stop.
Thanks for
Please,
watching.
for the
This whole
don't
house
watch.
has got-
Oh, okay. Oh, that was painful. Oh my God, that was painful.